नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम सागर कुमार है and I welcome you all on my this show. You all know that every single day I come here and I try to speak something that I truly want to say. दोस्तों, इस साल के एंड में आई मीन 2025 जैसे ही एंड हुआ, उसके एंड होने के बाद में ये एक मोटिव था कि एवरी सिंगल डे हम वीडियोस को शूट करेंगे, वीडियोस को रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, नो मैटर वॉट. एंड इन सीरीज ऑफ दिस आई परचेज्ड माई आईफोन, और आईफोन से मैं रिकॉर्डिंग कर भी रहा था, लेकिन बीते लगभग 2 महीने से हो गए हैं आईफोन मेरा थेफ्ट हो चुका है. मुझे आईफोन दोबारा से नहीं मिला. अब नाउ आई हैव टू चॉइसेस. either I keep on worrying about my theft iPhone, or what I can do, I can simply start recording, making videos from my old phone. It's my old phone here and I'm trying to shoot my videos from this video. Earlier the video quality was not up to the mark because I was shooting from my front camera, and now I'm shooting from my rear camera, and I think the quality is a bit better than as compared to the front one, and that's what I exactly want, guys. क्योंकि when I purchased, the only motive for me to purchase iPhone was to record video either from the front or from the rear camera, because I want to see, I love recording videos when I see myself. And now my phone is turned upside down, so I'm just unable to see my face. I can simply look into the camera and I just speaking here. And the other important thing is that my motive is to become the SDM of my Uttar Pradesh state, and in the series of this I want to ensure कि आज के 1 साल के बाद या फिर 2 साल के बाद जब भी मैं उस पैनल के सामने बैठा हूँगा, I have at least 5 to 6 members of the board members, so those members are going to take my interview. On that particular point of time, I want to ensure that whatever I am saying, whatever I am conveying to all of them, all the words, everything should be so clear, so coherent. My ideas, my thoughts, my expressions, the way I speak, every single thing. क्योंकि जो difference last 100 marks create कर सकते हैं ना, this will be the major factor in deciding your rank. So those 100 marks which are completely devoted for the personality test, I want to ensure कि उस चीज़ में मैं एक अच्छा मार्क स्कोर करूँ, मैं एक अच्छा स्कोर उसमें गेन करूँ, क्योंकि that will differentiate me from the other people. And the other important thing is that कि आप जब इंटरव्यू देने जाते हैं, you see a lot of people there and they look good, they are highly knowledgeable person, they all have written names, so they all have the knowledge. Now the problem is that some of them may face problem while delivering their content, and some of they might be very good in delivering content. So I want to be the guy who delivers the content in a very well defined manner, because I want to ensure कि जो चीज़ मैं भी जो कुछ भी मैं उनसे कहने वाला हूँ, वो एक चीज़ मेरी एक ऐसे मैनर में हो कि उनको पता लग जाए कि हाँ, this person has studied a lot, this person has spent hours in grabbing the knowledge and all of these things, ताकि मैं उनके सामने जब जो कुछ भी मैं प्रेजेंट करूँ, that should look, I would say, great. They should have some knowledge about my personality, that yes, this guy is saying something, that means that he is saying something and he has the logic behind it. Based on some logic he is saying something, and he's proving all of his points by giving certain examples. So that is the main objective, guys, for me to record a video, because 10 minutes are not sufficient. You can spend time here every single day. The more you speak here, the more confident you will become every single day, guys. And the other important thing is that this channel will be purely on making a good personality of yourself, how to speak, how to present, how to look good, and how to take care of the voice and the hand gestures, how to move them, and every single thing we are going to talk about it here. So if you are someone who wants to improve your communication skill, if you want to improve your body language, and if you want to say something with great confidence, this channel is for you, guys. Just subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get all the videos because here I'm sharing my own journey until I become SDM of the state. Every single thing you are going to see here, my journey, my learnings, my experiences, every single thing I'm going to share it here. And the agenda is very very simple, guys. See, all the people who prepare for the PCOS examination, they are very 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 knowledgeable person. I have no doubt in that. See, the only difference it creates when you present yourself in front of the public, because this job is all about dealing with the public, dealing with their concerns and resolving matters which are related to the land disputes or any border related disputes. So basically, you are going to deal with the land disputes. Okay, so in order to deal all of these things, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपकी जो जनता है वो किस टाइप की जनता है. यूपी में इफ़ यू सी इन सेंट्रल यूपी, दे हैव वेयर यू गेट कन्नौज, कानपुर, लखनऊ, and in eastern part of UP you will see Devariya, Gorakhpur, and your, I would say, Maharajganj type, Maharajganj districts. You will see all of these, of course, Balia. And in the southern part of UP you will see the Bundelkhand area, that includes Jhansi, Saharanpur, and many more districts are there. And I would say I'm unable to recall, but yeah, I have the map in my mind, so I can simply though I haven't revise the UP map for a longer period of time, but so once I revise it, I will get all the districts on my fingertips. And the eastern UP is the more developed and advanced UP. That is the Noida and your Saharanpur and your Bagpat. Okay, so these are the advanced districts where you get all the accessibility of NCT, area. तो उस चीज़ को लेकर के समझो, क्योंकि अगर आप यूपी की एक हाई जॉब के बारे में अगर आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, सो यू शुड बी वेरी वेल वर्स्ड अबाउट योर स्टेट, व्हाट दिस यूपी इज ऑल अबाउट. चाहे वो यूपी का लैंड हो, चाहे वो यूपी की बायोडाइवर्सिटी हो, कल्चर हो, डांस एंड मॉन्यूमेंट्स, आर्किटेक्चर हो, एनी हेरिटेज साइट्स हो, चाहे वो नेशनल पार्क हो, रामसर साइट्स हों, चाहे वो रिवर्स हो, माउंटेन्स हों. माउंटेन्स तो खैर यूपी में नहीं है, यू विल फाइंड देम इन उत्तराखंड. बट जो कुछ भी यूपी में आपको दिखता है, उस चीज़ के बारे में समझो, क्योंकि एंटायर यूपी अगर इसको आप जानना चाहते हो, तो इसको आपको बहुत ही ग्राउंड लेवल पे जाकर समझना पड़ेगा कि यूपी क्या है, एंड यूपी में कितनी पहले सरकारें बन चुकी हैं, अभी कौन सी सरकार है, क्या मोटिव है इस सरकार का, इसने क्या लास्ट 5 years में किया हुआ. तो दीज ऑल द थिंग्स शुड बी ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स. एंड वाई आई एम टेलिंग यू इज़ दैट, सी, आप जब उस चीज़ को माइंड में लेके पढ़ते हैं ना कि यार मुझे यूपी को सर्व करना है, चाहे वो कोई भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्यों ना हो, जहाँ कहीं भी मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, मैं उस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जा कर के उसको एक नेक्स्ट लेवल तक लेके जाऊँगा. चाहे वो वहाँ की प्रॉब्लम्स कोई भी हो, चाहे वो प्रॉब्लम्स विमेन को लेके हो, चाहे वो प्रॉब्लम्स एजुकेशन को लेके हो, चाहे वो प्रॉब्लम्स रिगार्डिंग टू हॉस्पिटल्स और एनी अदर सेक्टर. इन सारे सेक्टर्स पे जितना भी मैं कमांड कर सकता हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट. चाहे मुझे वहाँ के ऑफिसर से मिलना पड़े, चाहे मुझे कुछ भी करना पड़े, हर वो काम जिस काम से मुझे एक नई पहचान मिलेगी, जिस काम तक जो मेरी पावर है मुझे अलाउ करती है, आई डू ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. क्योंकि उन सब कामों को लेकर के ही मुझे वो फ्लो मिलेगा, मुझे वो एनर्जी मिलेगी, जिससे मैं बाकी लोगों को की लाइफ को और भी बेटर करने का प्रयास करूँगा. एंड ये मेरा मेन मोटिव है कि जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं वहाँ के, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम लोग जो गांव में पढ़ते हैं वो कभी उतना हायर तक जा ही नहीं पाते. दे आर स्टक इन देयर वेरी वेरी लो काइंड ऑफ जॉब, because they don't have much knowledge. They have knowledge, but they don't have much resources available and they lack of guidance. तो उस चीज़ को टैकल करने के लिए आई थिंक आई एम कंट्रीब्यूट towards this section, and I can help them out in achieving their dreams. So that is the one part of my journey. The other part is that क्योंकि ये जर्नी एक बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव, एक बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन जर्नी है, तो इस जर्नी को समझने के लिए यू विल हैव टू गो इन डीप डाउन टू अंडरस्टैंड द रियल प्रॉब्लम ऑफ यूपी. क्योंकि यूपी में जो कुछ भी आप देखते हो ना, दिस इज़ जस्ट आई मीन द पॉइंट परसेंट. You have never been on a side. You have never had a word with the villagers. You have never seen their problems by going into their houses, or you have never talked to a gram pradhan what are their problems, and how are they dealing with all of these things. So when you understand all of these things, when you go and do a research on all of these minute points, वन डे यू विल रियलाइज कि आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि हाँ यूपी में जो इकोनॉमी है, यूपी की जो गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी है, ये कैसे काम कर रही है. एंड देर इज सो मच टू लर्न, देर इज सो मच टू अडाप्ट इन योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज आपने कभी भी वहाँ पे जाके लोगों के कल्चर्स को अडॉप्ट नहीं किया है. आपने बस बुक्स में अभी पढ़ा है. आप इट्स आई मीन इट्स गुड इनिशली, you don't go on the field and start learning the things. Rather you learn from the books, and then you crack the exam, and when you get a chance then you meet people, and then you learn all of these things. तो मेरा मोटिव बस इतना है कि अगर आपका भी यही मोटिव है कि आपको भी इस स्टेट का एसडीएम बनना है, इसके अलावा अगर आपका मोटिव ये है कि मुझे अपने स्किल्स को इन्हेंस करना है, चाहे वो बोलने की कला हो, चाहे वो ब्रीदिंग हो, चाहे वो बॉडी को बनाने की कला हो, चाहे वो अपने आप को ग्रूमिंग की कला हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, अगर इट्स अबाउट योर बॉडी, योर presentation, any of these things, this channel is purely for you guys. Every single day you will get videos here, and I'm sorry for my voice, because I don't have any mic. I'm just speaking from my old camera, from my old mobile phone, and the cooler is on, so you might get some sound into my video, but please guys, cooperate with me, just adjust. The message that I am delivering here is that just focus on those things. The goal is to learn more and more, practice more and more answer writing, क्योंकि I am thinking about appearing in this examination for the last 5 to 6 years, but I haven't given any single prelims. Now it's high time for me to write one, because if I don't do it now, somebody will do it, and I will have nothing left in my hand but regret, and I do not want that. So I'm going to give 6 months of my initial phase, which is now in the preparation of my GS 1 to 6 papers, and once all of these are covered, I can move to writing answers for all the subjects, GS 1 to GS 6, all the 5-year questions from 18 to 2025, all 6 years papers. Just I have already made my GS2 questions. I have just listed down all the GS2 questions which were asked in previous years, and I will do the same for GS1, GS3, GS4, and simultaneously for the GS5 and GS6. And once that is done, I can find out some insights from that Excel sheet, that what exactly do I need to learn, and how I'm going to plan my journey, my learning phase, and where I'm going to devote my most of the time, because that is what made me different from the other people. क्योंकि इस चीज़ को सिर्फ मुझे ही नहीं, जितने भी लोग who are serious aspirant, they have all done this exercise, understand the pattern of this examination, because the question might be repeated. So जो कुछ भी आपने पास्ट में पढ़ा हुआ है, जो कुछ भी आपने पास्ट में देखा हुआ है बेस्ड ऑन दीज PYQs, उसको आप समझने का प्रयास करो कि क्वेश्चन जो है वो किस टॉपिक से पूछे जा रहे हैं इन योर सिलेबस. जस्ट हाईलाइट दैट पार्ट, एंड हर एक सिंगल सब्जेक्ट का, सिंगल टॉपिक का यू हैव वन पेज रेडी विद यू. डेटा, यूपी स्कीम्स, डेफिनेशन, एडवांटेजेस, disadvantages, and government policies, and society beneficial, and explore in various domains like economic, political, social, इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में जब आप समझते हो वीडियो, आई मीन आप जब अपना कोर्स पूरा करते हो, देन यू गेट अ ब्रॉड पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ डिलीवरिंग द कंटेंट। आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट। तो उस चीज़ को करने का सिंपल सा तरीका ये है कि उस आपको उसके तह तक जाना पड़ेगा, यू नो। एंड अगर आपने कभी भी पास में कभी कुछ ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है, सो इट्स हाई टाइम फॉर यू। एंड वन थिंग इज़ फॉर श्योर गाइज, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम लोग जो हम में से हैं ना, वो अपने आप में ही यू नो वो खुद को ही इतना कमज़ोर बताते हैं कि शायद वो कभी रिकॉर्डिंग कर ही नहीं पाते। तो मैं नहीं चाहता कि कोई भी शख्स ऐसा है जो इस चीज़ से डरे कि यार मैं रिकॉर्डिंग कैसे करूँ। सिंपल दोस्तों, आपको एक बात बताता हूँ, अपने सामने कैमरा निकाल के रखो, उसको रिकॉर्डिंग करना स्टार्ट करो। अपने माइंड से बस एक थॉट निकालो कि मुझे इसको पोस्ट करना है। नो, आप पोस्ट मत करो। एंड पोस्ट करना भी है, सो जस्ट पोस्ट इट ऑन योर यूट्यूब एंड द प्राइवेट सेक्शन। नोबडी विल बी एबल टू वॉच योर वीडियोज। इफ़ यू आर वेरी मच कंसर्न अबाउट पोस्टिंग योर फर्स्ट वीडियो, डू दैट। एंड do not hesitate of putting your views in front of the people, because once you start sharing your ideas, your views, your opinions to the people, they understand how deep knowledge you have about that particular subject, and this will ultimately help you to become a good great officer in your career ahead. Ultimately, the great speakers are always welcome, and they are given more and more opportunities. You will get a lot of opportunity when you become SGM of your state. So to grab all of those opportunities, you need to understand that what it is required to become a great communicator. And first thing, अपने माइंड से उस चीज़ को निकालो कि आप स्टैमर हो। फर्स्ट थिंग, जस्ट रिमूव इट फ्रॉम योर माइंड। यू आर नॉट, एक्चुअली यू आर नॉट, you have just practiced the negative set of patterns, and that is coming over your head over and over again, which is why you are unable to deliver your content in the coherent manner, you know. So what you have to do is just start saying to yourself all the positive affirmations that you are good, you have all the knowledge that you want to have, and you can deliver anything to anybody, and you can put your views, ideas, thoughts, and anything that you want to say clearly to the people. And you have the knowledge, you have all the potentials with you, so start saying these affirmations with you, and I'm damn sure that miracle will start happening with you, and you will realize it at some point of time. Now coming to the other point, see, we have practiced the very very negative behavior in our life, and once we start adopting a new behavior that is completely designed to set your mind, you know, in a different manner, or it will just going to set your reframe your mind. So in that particular point of time, what you have to do is just shift your focus toward the positive things. You have the knowledge, you are not the same guy that you were before a couple of months. You are a different person altogether, and you are learning something every single day. The idea is very simple, guys. Whatever things comes to your hand, whatever people you are meeting, whatever knowledge you are sharing with the people, start documenting all of these things onto yourself and in front of the camera. That's very important, guys, because many of us, they skip this part, and they just write and write and write. They do not they don't focus much on the speaking part. When you will be in service, you will be required to deal with the many people who are, you know, from the same problems which you were facing at some point of time. They might come to you for some signatory work, or they might be for some approval work regarding the land disputes, and many more things that you may come across when you will be in the public service commission. So आपका जो बेसिक एजेंडा है ना, वो लोगों को सर्व करने का है। इस माइंड सेट के साथ में आपको अभी से ही खुद को प्रिपेयर करना है कि आज के 1 साल के बाद में, 2 साल के बाद में, 3 साल के बाद में जब मैं सर्विस में जाऊंगा, तो मैं कैसे एक पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट के साथ में लोगों से बात करूंगा, उनकी प्रॉब्लम को समझूंगा, कैसे मैं गवर्नमेंट तक उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को पहुंचा सकता हूं। एंड हमें बेसिकली पब्लिक के लिए काम करना है वहाँ पे, यू नो। तो पब्लिक को ही आपको सबसे आगे रखना पड़ेगा. एंड जो कुछ भी आप अब तक थे, forget it. You are not that guy anymore. Remember that. अगर आप अपने ओल्ड वर्जन को छोड़ नहीं सकते हो, आप कभी भी खुद का एक न्यू वर्जन क्रिएट नहीं कर पाएंगे. And if you have any problem with the breathing pattern, or if you have any problem with the speaking part, just practice more and more exercises, and I believe one day you will have all the things with you which are required for you to become a good civil servant. And I see a lot of people who join some institute on the speaking, or they want to speak better, but they are unable to find some platform. So for those people, I'm saying, first of all, do not say anything negative about yourself, because every time you think negative about yourself, this will ultimately ruin your confidence. This will demotivate. This will let you feel demotivated, and I do not want that. What you can do is just get up, and if you have a mirror in your room, just go in front of the mirror. See yourself for a few seconds. See into your eyes. Are you able to maintain the eye contact with yourself for about 15 to 20 seconds? Because most of us, they don't do it, and that's where they are mistaken. तो आपको सबसे पहले खुद से ही आई कांटेक्ट डेवलप करना है कि क्या मैं खुद से आंख मिला पा रहा हूँ, जो कुछ भी मैंने आज एंटायर डे में किया है. एम आई एबल टू सी ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, बिकॉज इट्स माई फ्रेंड, इट्स माई एवरीथिंग, एवरीबडी. इट्स फॉर मी, इट्स माई एवरीथिंग. एंड सो इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए आपको उस चीज़ से गुजरना पड़ेगा जहाँ से लोग गुजरते हैं. अगर आप खुद के अंदर बस वो सिर्फ आप एक इमेजिनरी इमेज बना रहे हो कि यू आर नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग स्पीकिंग, एंड यू बिलीव दैट वन डे यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक फ्लुएंटली to anyone without any hesitation, you won't have to think much. So that is not going to happen, guys. It's a practice, it will take time. So devote your time into this skill, and devote, I mean, much and much time in learning and adapting all the things which are required for you to become a good version of yourself. Because ultimately, when you will be in service, or when you qualify the exam, people are going to see you, people are going to follow you. So on that particular point of time, I do not want you to commit any mistake while speaking. So do as much as mistakes you want to commit here, because it's your learning phase, and you have full potential, you have full freedom now to express yourself the way you want to express. And because what happens when you will be in the interview hall, that time you are not allowed to do even a single mistake. If you do that, you will be hampering on your marking in the interview. If there is some mistake, of course they are avoidable, but like like the major ones, you cannot afford to repeat them, right? So if your tongue is not trained, just to work on your tongue. If your breathing is not good, you can work on your breathing patterns, you can understand how you are speaking. And when your lungs feels less breathing, you just need to take one more deep breath like this. So whenever you take a deep breath, your mind understand that you are relaxed, and then you have capacity to speak more and more, because this will let you speak more. You will feel great